Hello guys, this is Manpreet and today I gonna show you how to make these handmade papers and I recycled them out of waste papers. So let's just start the process. You need waste papers and a strainer. I just roughly tear these papers. After tearing them, soak them in a water for 24 hours. After 24 hours, blend them in a blender and make a pulp like this. For the next step, you need a container, sponge and water. Make sure that container you are using for making the paper is bigger than your strainer. Now pour some water in a container. Take 2 to 3 handful of pulp and put it in the container and mix it well in the water. Now put your strainer inside it and slowly scoop up and strain extra water. Now flip it over the towel and with the help of sponge, squeeze the extra water from pulp and carefully remove the strainer. Now I put some black ink in rest over pulp. Follow the same steps and make sure you wear gloves for making black paper because the ink stained in your hands. I am doing this first time, so I have no idea that my hands getting this kind of filthy. And after drying the paper, it looked like this. Now take it all and press them with a heavy object. Tada! My papers are ready. Hope you enjoying the whole process and you must try it. Thanks for watching.